In 1954, the Navy sent off the principal submarine that involved radioactive material as a power source. Its name was the USS Nautilus, and it was the principal submarine to make a trip toward the North Pole in 1958. Before then, submarines utilized diesel motors and needed to go into port for fuel. Atomic power permitted submarines to run for around 20 years without expecting to refuel. Food supplies turned into as far as possible on an atomic submarine's time adrift. From that point forward, comparable advances have been created to control plane-carrying warships. Atomic submarines and plane-carrying warships are controlled by locally available atomic reactors. Particles in the atomic reactor split, which discharges energy as intensity. This intensity is utilized to make high compelled steam. The steam turns impetus turbines that give the ability to turn the propeller. Extra turbines additionally make power for the boat. As the steam cools and consolidates once more into water, the water is coordinated back through the framework, and the interaction begins once more. The atomic reactor compartment is safeguarded to shield the group from the radiation delivered by the reactor, and team access is denied during reactor activity. Reactor engineers wear radiation screens that are checked routinely. They follow severe well-being methods, work in shifts, and cautiously plan the work to restrict radiation openness. At the point when the atomic reactors used to drive submarines and plane-carrying warships are discarded, the Department of Defense keeps up with and screens the radioactive parts. At the point when submarine and plane-carrying warship atomic reactors are done being utilized, the compartments are delivered to the last removal site on barges. During shipment, the Coast Guard or the Navy will give an escort vessel to guarantee the security of the canal boat. The Coast Guard may intermittently assess the freight boats. The Navy should follow Department of Transportation guidelines while delivery the reactor compartments. Radiation levels should not surpass limits. These cutoff points are set up to safeguard laborers, people in general, and the climate while delivery and dealing with the reactor compartments and parts. The Department of Energy, DOE, discards a few sorts of tainted reactor parts from atomic vessels at the Hanford office in Washington state. These defiled reactor parts are put away in exceptionally planned squander capacity cells.